Family of Caitlin Hall says she was having a mental health crisis, but their call for help escalated, ending with shots fired by police.
Today, Hall's family spoke exclusively with WLKY's Alexis Matthews about their heartbreak.
And my mom called me and told me what had happened, and I just kind of went blank. It didn't really seem real.
Angry, confused, and heartbroken, Mia Hunter's emotions are high after her cousin, Caitlin Hall, was killed by Louisville police. Officers were called to an apartment in the city's East End on Friday as the 28-year-old, locked inside the bathroom, was experiencing a mental health crisis. According to authorities, when they broke down the door, she charged at officers with a sharp object. That's when officers Robert Baker and Robert Gabbard shot her.
Because I know that did not need to happen that way. I'm a healthcare worker, I'm a nurse. I work with people that are agitated all the time.
Hunter says Hall, a Bellarmine University grad, was caring and full of joy, but she also had struggles, which family believes were not met with an appropriate response that night. Hall's mother in a statement said, quote, "We called 911 for help because she was trying to commit suicide, and it ended in 2 police officers pulling their triggers and taking my baby away from me. Caitlin deserved help. Caitlin deserved to know she mattered. Caitlin did not deserve bullets." Hall's death is renewing the conversation around crisis diversion and police response to people in distress.
To make sure that we're prepared. The way trauma was expressed maybe 5 years ago is not the same today.
Behavioral health experts recommend increased mental health training and awareness for officers after LMPD says Hall's situation did not qualify for a non-police response because of the alleged weapon and others being present at the home. On Monday, the mayor said they're assessing the program.
Well, one thing that I can certainly see us looking at is the ability to co-respond, where there would be a mental health professional and LMPD officers responding.
But that is policy. Caitlin was a person, and we've lost her.
In Louisville, Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.
And the officers involved in the shooting, Robert Baker and Robert Gabbard, have both been with LMPD since February of 2023. They are on administrative leave as part of this investigation, and the department plans to release body camera footage of that shooting by next week.